So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly this error in GTA 5. So first of all, go here to your parameters, search for app installed apps, and then just search for the C++. Make sure you have Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable in your PC. If you don't have, just go to Google and then click on search for install Microsoft C++. And then you will have many links. Just download less supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads. Click on it and then download the link. And then the common issue is you don't have some DLL missing files in your GTA. So just search for download DLL files GTA 5 and then choose this second link. Click on downloads. You will select the best version for your PC. I have 64. Just click on select and this will start download. This will download the link just and then just copy them, extract them, and make it in and copy them and paste them in your GTA 5 folder. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.